Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siparip Setiawan. I'm a student of Yayan Salatiga. My register number is 0014. Okay, today now I'm going to review the journal from Bedin Dasmoro. The title is The Language Construction of Muslim as the Others in French Contemporary Discourses. Uh, then before I start, then I will read the abstract first. The abstract. This article intends to explain the Muslim position in French contemporary discourses. France is a secular country based on the principle like separation between religion and state. France is also the country with the largest Muslim population in Europe. Muslim position, as with others, cannot be separated from the varied discourses in everyday life disseminated through different vehicles such as a media and then literature and conversation in society. Talking about discourse of otherness, it's important to strengthen the argument that the social relation pattern in France, where there has been tension between Muslim and French people in recent years, are not simply political or social question. They are also language construction. The Bourdieuian perspective explains how social construction is closely connected to language construction. Fear of Muslim on the one hand is related to political social tension, but on the other hand, it also related to language consumption and the historically constructed othering language consumption and historically constructed othering French discourses. What the stereotypes regarding Islam and Muslim are represented in everyday language. Second, in which context do these stereotypes appear? Third, how are language affect and stereotypes otherness which serve as a mental model of for positioning? Then positioning the other operated as social practice. Then introduction. In French discourse, Islam has experienced dynamic development in both. Okay, I will repeat. In French discourse, Islam has experienced dynamic development in social construction, the everyday life practice of the French people, and symbolic construction within more psychological and imaginary frames. Islam is discussed in everyday life, in literature, and also in the media. In the meeting in 2011, delegates of French and Indonesian Ministries of Foreign Affairs, including the researcher, held as a part of public diplomacy program to introduce Islam is Indonesian context. There was a fundamental statement from a member of French Foreign Affairs delegation who had Maghribi background. You said that you want to speak of Islam from Indonesian perspective. For us, this is not legitimate because Islam is Arabic. Indonesia is not Arab. The association of Islam with Arabian indicate an acting of othering, which shape in culturally and socially within a stagnant corridor. The view that Islam is purely Arabic, such as positioning of the other, is, on the other hand, fixed and thus enables stereotype to emerge. On the other hand, however, it is dynamic because the social and political situation context is friend continues to transform. Uh, di sini the writer or the researcher, peneliti itu explain that menjelaskan bahwasanya Islam itu berkembang pesat di negara Prancis, yang mana itu telah melekat dalam kehidupan sehari-hari seperti dalam literature, also di media, menjadi bahan perbincangan di sana. Bagaimana Islam itu berkembang dan melekat di negara Prancis. Dan suatu ketika si penulis ikut dalam pertemuan antara menteri di sana, yang mana itu menjelaskan dengan perbedaan antara Islam di Indonesia, dan hal tersebut kurang disetujui oleh salah satu orang di sana, yang mana dia berpikir bahwa Islam ya Islam, Islam itu purely Arabic, murni di Arab, berbeda dengan Islam di Indonesia. Kalau Islam di Indonesia itu influence, dipengaruhi oleh budaya di Indonesia. Jadi tidak bisa dibandingkan gitu. Nah, jadi menjadi Islam di sana menjadi stereotip yang luas ya. Bagaimana uh, politik dan apa ya uh, is dinam politik dan menjadi perubahan di sana. Then French Muslim population saw a marked increase. Statistic indicate in Muslim population was based in Maghribi heritage has reached 4 to 6 million, or 6 and 9% of the country total population. Then uh, then the colony okay, then according to the National Institute for Statistics and Economic Studies Institute National de la Statistique de l'Economie INSEE, since 2006, some 113 30 children Al-Maghribi heritage have been born in France every year. The colonizers and the colony relationship between the two and immigrant with development further into non-Muslim European and Muslim immigrant. Nah, di sana dijelaskan bahwa Islam itu selalu menikah di Prancis, di negara Prancis, sebagaimana dalam oleh Institut Ekonomi dan Statistik di sana menjelaskan bahwa sejak tahun 2006 itu ada sekitar 130 anak-anak yang keturunan Maghribi yang mana lahir di Prancis, yaitu koloni dan orang-orang asli sana selalu berkembang dengan Islam. Terus kemudian ada kejadian yang mana the case which drew worldwide attention was attack on the satirical magazine Charlie Hebdo in Paris on 7 January 2015. This attack was respond the cartoon published that Charlie Hebdo with Muslim both in France and worldwide. Nah, terus ada suatu ketika di sana ada pada tahun 2015 ada sedikit goncangan atau problem, yang mana ada salah satu kartunis yang bernama Charlie Hebdo. Charlie Hebdo itu apa ya? Membuat kartun mirip Nabi kita Muhammad SAW, yang mana itu memicu pro dan kontra di sana, terlebih lagi oleh kalangan kaum muslimin. Nah, atas kejadian tersebut si penulis membuat kerangka teori, yang mana dalam sebuah artikel, yaitu this article attempt to examine the network and position to find the other discourse which Islam and Muslim constructed. Friends, several questions will be answered in exploring issue. First, what dominant discourses regarding Islam and Muslim are present in everyday lineage of French people? Second, in which context stereotypes appear in positioning of Muslims? Third, how are the lineage effect of stereotype of the alternatives? This article explore the order discourse of othering process which shape relation French people and Islam and Muslim relation which it noted have been shaped even before the end of colonial age. Nah, dalam kerangka teori ini dijelaskan si penulis itu mencoba mengeksamin sebuah posisi atau relate antara diskursus Islam dan Muslim sana, bagaimana perspektivitas dari orang-orang Muslim di sana dengan beberapa pertanyaan oleh penulis akan dijawab melalui apa ekspor di sana terhadap Islam, bagaimana language of friend people and position non Muslim dan etc. Then the method this article I think is qualitative research that the writers makes analysis based subject. Nah, metode dalam penulisan artikel ini saya rasa itu menggunakan metode qualitative research atau sudut pandang qualitative research yang mana penulis itu membuat uraian analisis dari beberapa subjek interview. Then data presentation and analysis. Yang pertama itu positioning the other and the ideological frame of discourse. Positioning of the others is not only important politically. Yang pertama, analisis yang pertama itu ada satu posisi di antara orang yang lain, ideologi, background ideologi dan posisi yang lain yang tidak hanya politik juga epistemologi dan metodologi. Terus yang kedua itu self-identify in othering culture, Muslim life in France, which the instrument to identities. Yang kedua itu identifikasi mandiri antara budaya. Nah, di sini penulis itu membuat interview dua orang dengan yang mana orang tersebut merupakan orang asli Prancis dan juga seorang Muslim. Yang ketiga yaitu the position of Muslim through Muslim eyes. Muslim informant had varying view position of Muslim in France. Nah, analisis yang ketiga yaitu si penulis itu menjelaskan posisi seorang Muslim melalui sisi pandang seorang Muslim. Ya, penulis juga membuat interview salah satu seorang Muslim, membuat pandangan bagaimana Muslim di sana, bagaimana orang-orang Muslim di sana atas kejadian seperti itu, Charlie Hebdo dan lain sebagainya. Dan analisis yang keempat yaitu stereotypes about Muslim and their social effect. There is a chain ideas being explained. Nah, analisis yang keempat adalah stereotip tentang Muslim dan sosial di sana, yang mana itu sebagai rantai ide yang biasa dijelaskan. Di antaranya adalah question of stereotypes and ignorance Muslim practice with a stereotype including the hijab, bagaimana poligami and the LGBT. Nah, bagaimana penulis memaparkan bagaimana pandangan Muslim tentang stereotip hijab, poligami dan lain sebagainya di sana. Then the conclusion, from the conclusion above, the dominant discourse is related to context. The other is linked closely at different situation. Muslim as self-different contemporary discourse has a double position. On the other side, they do including because they are also French citizen. However, on the other side, they included the social practice because they are placed as a outsider. Nah, dalam eksplanasi artikel ini, yang mana si penulis itu menjelaskan bahwasanya ada dua dominan diskursus antara Muslim di sana. Seperti yang pertama itu Muslim di sana mempunyai dua posisi, yang mana salah satunya dia memang mengakui mereka benar-benar orang Prancis, dan yang kedua memang mereka mengakui mereka orang-orang Islam, dan hal tersebut tidak bisa dipisahkan meskipun ada beberapa stereotip yang mana itu berbeda culture. Kemudian komen, I comment this writer, like this article is very comprehensive. It talk about how social construction is closely connected and image construction. Fear of Muslim, on the other hand, is related to the political and social tension, but the other hand is also related to language consumption and and French contemporary discourses. Nah, saya mengomen dari artikel ini, saya kira artikel ini sangat komprehensif ya, sangat membahamkan bagaimana si penulis itu menjelaskan bagaimana apa diskursus orang-orang linguistik transnasional dijelaskan secara rinci. Oke, seperti itu. Then I found the Islamic vocabulary from this article. The first is mandatory prayers, hijab, halal, and polygamy, because and etc. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.